keep her tight. Yeah. So, wow.
Let me tell you of an evil sea which tricked Ariel's voice away from her. Oh, this is a great story. First, Ariel fell in love with then King Triton got all mad and told Sebastian the Crab to watch over her. Then there was lots of dancing and singing. And then, greater even than Triton's. She'll help Ariel, all right. Poor Ariel, in love with a human. We sent her to the right place. Yes, Ursula will help her. She swam
What's this? You've come to a stop. Maybe it's that siege. Listen to me. Stay seated in your clamshell while I get you the off of
so sad, so true. They come flocking to my cold rocks, built us with bees, and I help them. Yes, I do. Paluga, Sabruga, and winds of the Caspian Sea. That brings us glossitis, next laryngitis, la voce to me. I admit that in the past I've been a nasty. They weren't kidding when they called me, well, a witch. But
You'll find that in our days I've mended all my ways. Repentance in the light of me to switch dreams. Oh, unfortunate souls.
That's the story of our Little Mermaid. Of course, she ain't a mermaid no more. Yeah. Oh, where was I? Oh, right. They all live. Now, how does that go? Happily ever after. They also live in a big house. Can't so bad either. That's my favorite kind of story, right? Am I right? I'm not such a bird right after. As you can see, everything worked out swell. Of course, sometimes I get a little confounded and convoluted. Otherwise, what's the word? Nuts. But anyway, that's the story of our Little Mermaid. Of course, she ain't a mermaid anymore. She's a pretzel now. I mean, a princess. A human princess. Well, that's the way I remember it. Yeah. Where was I? Oh, right. They all live.
Attention undersea voyagers, you have encountered as flight delay. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, legs, fish, and flippers inside your way. Just tread water and until resume momentarily. Thank you.
Everything worked out swell. Of course, sometimes I get a little confounded and convoluted, but otherwise, just the way he's nuts. Don't come to me. But anyway, that's the story of our Little Mermaid. Of course, she ain't a mermaid no more. She's a pretzel now. I mean, a princess. A human princess. Well, that's the way I remember it. Yeah. Where was I? Oh, right. They all live. Now, how does that go? Happily ever after. They also all lived in a big castle. James O'Leary. That's my favorite kind of story. Right? Am I right? I'm not such a word right after.
I bring good news.
But otherwise,
Here you are. Hope you had a wonderful time. Now, please step out to your left. Goodbye. It was so good to see you. We hope you